World War I happened about 99 years ago. It ended after the Treaty of Versailles was signed. The document was written by the nations of Italy, America, Britain, France, also known as the Big Four. Germany was forced to sign this treaty, which basically stated that Germany was to accept full responsibility of the war. What you're about to see is our interpretation of how the treaty came about.
Yeah. What is it good for? Absolutely nothing. Yeah. What is it good for? Absolutely nothing. Say it again, y'all.
Play hard, work hard, 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 play hard.
Work, 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 work. Diamonds all in my ring, player. Gold watches, gold chain, player. 100,000 champagne, player. Yeah, my money insane, player. Yeah, I'm making it rain, player. But I was just on a plane, player. Buying gear, flying here. It ain't which word, it's my time of year. If I'm in the club, I get 100 stacks. I'm always rolling up, so I get love for that. I heard he stole my swag, but I don't want it back. I was on this, but now I'm on to that. You see it in my closet, for it's on the rack. Was out there in Hawaii, now I'm going back. I got so much money, I should start a bank. So much paper right in front of me, it's hard to think. Buy so many bottles.
Ali. Door up and I'll jump.
Guys, I'm just tired.
Okay, so Germany just lost, so I don't think we should make them pay that bad. I mean, like, they're just losers, but you know, that's all they are, just losers, right? They should just sign the League of Nations, right?
I want to make Germany pay. Let's take everything away from them.
Oh, come on, guys,
Everything.
not everything. Italy, you didn't say anything. What do you think?
Yeah. Okay.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they say there. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands.
Sign it, just sign it. Just come on, just do it.
Come on, Germany.
Just do it.
Do it, Germany.
Do it,
Sign it,
Germany.
baby.
Germany, sign it.
Come on, Germany.
You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this.
Ari Kari, look at me now, look at me now, oh, I'm getting paper, look at me now, oh, look at me now, yeah, fresh to the, I'm getting paper, look at me now, oh.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.